Everyone, this is Rahul Mohan Chandran, the greatest performer the world has ever seen. Namaste. Today I'm going to talk to you about Arnab Goswami being dragged from his premises to the court, and from there on dragging to got dragged to police station in a very heinous way, very bad way. Actually, his family, even his family has has got assaulted, and we still don't know what is the crime that he's committed. Okay, there are a lot of criminals in this country, and you do nothing. And such a nationalist, Arnab sir, such a nationalist person, and you do this to the to a great person like him, a great editor in chief, Republic, from the Republic TV. And I'm so shocked that still there's no action from the center. Actually, Modi ji should do something with regards to this. Bring in a governor rule, because I believe the things in Mumbai has gone haywire, and it's not about haywire. The things can be haywire in a positive way as well, but it has gone in a tremendously negative way, and even in it's just like a Hitler's regime. Okay, and innocent public didn't know this was going to come, and Uddhav Thackeray's government really sucked. Okay, and you have to deal with it for another 4 years, which is very tough. I think the center should act with regards to this. Where is Modi ji with regards to this? Where is Amit Shah with regards to this? It's a disappointment that it's always been nationalist in this country that has to pay the price for being patriotic towards the nation. Is being patriotic towards the nation a crime in this country? Is that my question? That's my question. मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, मैं मुंबई में नहीं हूँ. I am staying somewhere. I'm staying somewhere in the south, so there's no point that I will go for a dharna and all. I'll request each and every Mumbaians and Indians, especially the Indians, to fight against this, because we should respect people who are having patriotism, because that binds us together as a family. And India is a great country, yeah. Such a great country. If it was, just imagine Pakistan converting all the minorities to their specific religion that they want it to be. We never do it. We never did it. We respect every religion. If I was born from a Muslim mother's womb, I would have been a Muslim. If I was born from a Christian mother's womb, I would have been a Christian. If I'm born from a Hindu mother's womb, I am a Hindu. Simple as that. There's no specific ideology that is assigned to it. If you are not in my religion, I should disrespect you. How can you do that? You don't have control over your birth. Did anybody ask you, you want to be Hindu, you want to be a Muslim, you want to be a Christian? No, I don't remember it. Do you want to be a male? Do you want to be a female? I don't remember any interviews with regards to that before going into my mother's womb. So we don't have a control over the birth. So being born as any gender should not be the case at all. We should respect everyone in the world, provided they are doing anything against our humanity or against our country. We should not disrespect them, period. And Arnab Goswami, even if he has done it, there's a procedure to it. You don't follow the procedure. You don't do anything to the people who have done treachery towards the country, but you will do something against the people who loves their country so much, who is a nationalist. This is really disappointing. Who would like to be a patriot in this country? Because the things that you have to put on this line is very, very high. Your freedom at stake, your family's freedom at stake. Who would like to be a patriot in this country? And we need to fight for him. Okay, hashtag find a petition. Okay, petition for Arnab. Please file a petition for Arnab and sign it. You know, they will show you, they'll ask for your name, your last name, your country, and then click on submit. That's it. And move, close that, uh, you know, close that tab. And so that, you know, more and more petitions come for Arnab, and Arnab is saved. We want Arnab to you know, to bring lot of other cases into you know, in front of the people. Okay, and it's being evident that a lot of things are not done in a legal way by this government and Paramjit, Paramjit, right? His name is Parambir. Yeah, Parambir. He's acting like some the things that I cannot say right now in the video. So I will just stop it here. Please, guys, I want you to support Arnab for it. Arnab Republic TV, and salute to this, salute to the TV. You know, salute to the channel. You know, for being such a true channel. Please, please, doesn't matter how much you go through it, you will not give up, because people who are doing wrong, they are not giving up. Why you're giving up when you're doing the right thing? So you're not giving up, I know, but I'm still motivating you. I know that you don't require motivation from me, but I am there for you as well. Okay, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. Bye bye.